They wanted to do a Yui right on the time I arrived. Malo, Talofa, good morning. It's Sunday today, and me and my daughter here, who's holding the camera, yeah, that one. We're gonna go and get us some Hoki burgers, New Zealand Hoki burgers. So that's a fish, guys, in case you guys are wondering, what's a Hoki? Oh, Hoki is a fish. No, not that many Hokis, it's just one Hoki, but it's a fish. Hey guys, so when we get there, I'll show you guys. Wait, guys, I got some food from Chris's Cafe, and it's here in St. Mary's, right? Opposite the train station. And guess what I got? Have a look, have a look. New Zealand cream and jam donuts. Okay, who wants some? Who wants some? Yeah, I met someone in there that he says his wife watches my channel. So hello to you, wife. I even had a picture with him. So isn't that good? My daughter, I told her to go take a picture of the donuts, and when she turned around, I was getting a picture with someone there. So it was nice. Thank you for walking up and saying hello, and you know my cousin, my first cousin, my favorite guy cousin. Oh, hang on, he's my other favorite guy cousin named Sonny. So Sonny, I love you and I miss you, okay, because I hardly see you, but anyway, you know, in my heart we'll always be that, you know, special cousins, you know. Okay, go color. Oh yeah, guys, and I got some kina, I got some fish and chips, and I got Hoki and chips and burger. Hoki burger. Qua kia ngay mẹ cậu. Xe cô ya, xe ô cô số lên. Vậy, ooh la la. Ooh la la. Guys, and that's for my daughter. She's at the back there. Any manners there, Geneva? These kids, eh? They think they only get their food passed to them, and no. Hey! Oh my gosh, look. Got a $2 on my floor. Right. Put it in the coin box. Okay, guys. Yeah? Oh, yeah. It's New Zealand fish, man. It should be nice. So, we're gonna have. This is mine, guys. Look. It's a New Zealand Hoki burger. Okay, who's episode? It's a New Zealand Hoki burger, guys. Look at that. I can hear how crispy it is, and it comes with some chips. And it's got coleslaw down the bottom and mayonnaise. Guys, let's try the chips. Yeah, have a bite. Nice. Oh, nice burp. Here you guys go. Oh, look at that yummy lettuce hanging down on the. My mum loves lettuce. So guys, have a bite.
What's that?
New Zealand Hoki burger.
Oh, the fish is nice.
We're gonna have to be it. Oh no, we're in trouble. Me, found
They
it.
only have Soviets in that can thing.
Oh, this is a lovely burger. I'm not kidding you guys. Come down to St. Mary's if you live nearby and buy you guys a Hoki burger. Oh, hang on. Did they always sell it? Because the Kiwi Delights, look up Facebook for Kiwi Delights, or look up Chrissy's Cafe in St. Mary's. And if you live nearby, come by and have a nice breakfast. $17 and you get this massive breakfast. It's so lovely. So lovely. Oh, and I got me a kina. Okay. looks good. And got me a New Zealand raw fish. So I'll be digging into that soon. They didn't have spoons.
I couldn't see him.
This bit is worth every penny.
Penny dollar.
And you know what, guys? Wait,
Wait, what?
I think I burnt down the people into the car. I'm running out the window.
Where?
They're in the front there.
Mom!
I know, right?
I'm scared.
This is really nice, eh? The fish is nice and crunchy. Yeah. I made a nice lady in there too.
Oh, I forgot to get me a drink.
She said Kiwi Delights used to sell their food out her ways, but now they don't, you know. So she came all this way. Get out of here, Fry. Yeah, get out. Oh, one out the window before I come to it.
Alright, wrong window.
I'm winding up the wrong window. I better not go around and come back. Yeah. So she said that they used to sell food out. Kiwi Delights used to sell food out their ways, but they closed up shop and now they travel around. And Chrissy's Cafe is Kiwi Delight's family members that owns it, so they bring their food out here to sell, you know, here and there. So if you go into their Facebook page and you live around near St. Mary's area in New South Wales, and you hear that Kiwi Delights has brought their food, come on down, have some.
Should I pick up finished?
Whoa. It's so good.
Can't finished. Save I want to get mine.
It's so lovely. Hey, I didn't get me a fried bread to eat with my dinner. Now while there, I got some chips. Look at the meat. Look at the fish. Flaky and delicious. You know what I mean? I love tuna.
Yep.
And look, guys, look. Now, some of them are so yeah. Oh, look at this one. Oh, ha, 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 ha. Geneva, do you want one?
No. I don't like chicken.
You don't know what you're missing, baby.
I know, baby.
Look at that. So good. So good, guys. Okay, I want to know what... Ah! Stop it. So yummy. When I'm buying it like this, it saves you the trouble of cracking it open, getting prick here and there. It's so delicious to me. Oh wait, have a chip. Oh, better watch it. You know what? Try that. Oh, so lovely. Oh, ooh, la la.
Okay.
Now. Bus, stop it. Okay, guys.
Beep beep.
Guys, I got me some raw fish again. So good. Oh, I wish I could shake some pepper in here. Yep. See? Because these guys are from New Zealand and they know how to do their stuff, you know? I'm sitting here at the car park at Chrissy's opposite the train station. A train station, oh, it's train station. Our train just arrived. It's been years since I've caught a train. I used to like taking my kids out to the city to just walk around and buy ice cream or buy, you know. But these days, not many, if any. Not a lot of times I've taken them, especially these little ones. But my older kids, yep, I've taken them. You know why? Because that's where my feet were. So, ooh, look at that, out of mine. It's nice having it long. Oh gosh, I'm eating so good today, so good. And I hope you guys are eating good too. It's not fair that I'm eating good and you guys are not. No. Anyway, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, it'll be nice to have you guys on board. So hit the like button and then the subscribe button first, then the like button, and then don't forget to hit the notification bell too, because guys, I've done that myself. I've watched someone and I've really enjoyed watching them, so I hit the subscribe button. Okay, so I'm thinking to myself sometimes, oh, I don't see much of that person's. Next minute I go and check and I didn't even put the notification bell on. So guys, don't forget to push subscribe and then the notification bell, because you have to push it again, and then another button upstairs just above it will come on, so you push that again, and then that like lets you know if I'm uploading another video. But let me know, guys, what fish do you prefer as a raw fish? Yeah, I think I've told you guys before that my favorite is New Zealand snapper. I guess all snappers, you know, the New Zealand snapper, I guess if it's caught in Melbourne, it's probably the same kind of snapper. But hey, when I hear New Zealand, I love it straight away. I know, I could be biased, but I think I am. Oh, okay, guys. I better. I tell you what, their food is so yummy, so worth it. So worth the travel, guys. So, you guys, come down to Chrissy's. And you know what, they have this breakfast, right? $17 for their breakfast, for the big breakfast. And I tell you what, so, Come on, guys, have a look what's in here. One of those beautiful. Ah, all of a sudden, my son ran away. Oh, yum! Look at that. And it's fresh cream donuts, guys. Excuse you. Wait, may I left for the video king here?
Excuse you. Where's me one?
No.
Rude.
Yeah, help yourself, sweetheart.
Oh.
Oh, so good. Have a bite.
Delicious. Well, that's so much. Which one? Which one is the best one?
Oh, which one is the best? Just take any. Not always
There's
go
one
after the best.
That's the best out of all. Look at. Oh, thumbnail.
What?
See, I'm a thumbnail person.
If I'm now again,
Thumbnail. Yeah, you pick one of them, okay? Okay, good. Mom, you should make your own donut store, eh? You should make you a store, eh?
Make me a what?
A store. Okay, now choose which donut. I think this donut there. I wish they had
Oh.
colour donut.
I bought my cake and water. I stick with cake and water. My sister told me I've lost a bit of weight. Do you guys agree? Comment below if you guys think I've lost a bit of weight. I don't know if she's right. She could be just giving me a big head. But if I am losing weight, woohoo! Woohoo! Because I hear that cake and water can make you lose a bit of weight. And, you know what? Cake and water. Is that a duck?
A dog?
Anyway, guys, it sounded like a duck. Did you guys think it sounded like a duck? If it quacks like a quack, if it sounds like a, well, no, if it quacks like a duck, it probably is a duck. Anyway, that's what I was saying about cake and water. You know, I always used to take a puffer, right? Honestly, just honest truth. I always used to take a puffer. Because if you guys look back at my old videos, I would, I don't know if it's considered panic attack. Yeah, I think it's over too. But I used to have asthma, right? And I always, even though I take a puffer, I could always hear myself like having breathing difficulties. But since drinking this, you know, I've been really good. You know, I haven't even taken the puffer. It's like, I want to give my puffers away. But I keep it handy just in case. But I haven't even used it. Actually, I've given one of my puffers to my sister. Brand new, guys, brand new. Even if it's not. Sherry is scary.
I still hear that dog.
Oh no, it's those birds flying past.
Oh, it is. They're
Just,
not birds.
no, ducks.
They're like white birds with a big black beak.
Oh,
It's like really long.
it sounds like a duck.
Yeah.
Mm. Mm.
Okay, I'm gonna leave the donuts back here, okay?
It's so good, guys. We're having a nice feed. So I woke up this morning and made a porridge. Made a nice porridge for my mama. Then I gave her a feed, a breakfast. So I made her crackers, salada. That's her favorite crackers. Salada, gave her a couple of saladas and a nice bowl of porridge. She ate it all. She can eat that, lady. I wonder where I get it from. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. That was delicious. Everything today was delicious. Geneva, did you like good food?
Yeah.
You
I
sure?
loved it. 10 out of 1,000. No, 1,000 out of 10. Is that it?
Yeah, so Chrissy's Cafe St. Mary's is so beautiful. I love their breakfast, I love their food. And then when Kiwi Delights drop in here and there and bring us some food that I love. It's like something she made me laugh. I didn't see her with the hat. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for hanging out with me, okay? Thank you very much. I hope you subscribe if you haven't already. Put on the notification bell, because if you push subscribe, you press it again, this little other bell comes up the top. That's what you press again. Then it allows you, whenever I put up a new video, it says, hey, yahoo, another video's up. So come and hang out with me. Wait a while. You know why I'm going home? Because I know I've got to end this video, but I've got my food, my fish and chips to finish, my raw fish to finish, and my kettle. I don't want to take it home to eat, because once I let it go, it's like I've killed the momentum.
It's gone.
Like, the oomph is gone. So, guys, I'll let you guys go while I finish off my beautiful food. I love you, Chrissy and Kiwi Delights. Please keep coming and bringing more food. Please keep coming and bringing more food. Soifua, I know. See, that's how happy I am to have this beautiful food. I know, guys. Yeah, Soifua. Take care. And guess what, guys? Don't forget, I'm seeing more and more video getting put up. That's awesome. That's awful awesome. You know? That's really, really good. Come on. We are poly people, and we have got it in us to bring up our good contents. Alright? Okay. Yeah, that's all I want to say. So, guys, bring out content. Bring out content. Because they're saying that, you know, people are starting not to watch TV, but they watch YouTube. So, guys, what are you waiting for? It's never too late. Upload. Even if you don't have a lot of subscribers, do what I do. Just keep on adding your videos on, you know. Make it entertaining. Sorry if I'm not sometimes. Videos to your channel, and go around and, you know, make friends with your other polytuber people on their channels, and then they will see you, you know. And we should always support one another. Right, guys? Right. Go and watch all those people out there, including mine. Hello. Don't forget your favorites, okay? Don't forget favorites, guys. Just come and hang out with me as well. And if you don't want to, because you're at a certain age that you don't want to watch some old lady, get your mom and your dad and your uncles and your aunties. Don't forget that, because I'm your auntie too. Get them to come and watch my channel. Just let them know, guys, okay? Let them know. Share our videos, our polytube videos, guys. Hashtag polytube. Hashtag polytube. and thank you. Kia manuia, take care, and thank you always for your subscribing, and thank you also for your support. There, I've got some regular supporters, and I am so thankful, and I'm very grateful to each and every one of you guys. Look, I want you guys to have a really, really good Merry Christmas, okay? Don't forget, eat good, but don't eat heaps, because then you've got to end up like me.
Skinny.
Skinny, baby. I'll give you $5 after. Yeah, my lady ma. Maskari ma. Okay, guys, have a very, very Merry Christmas, and I'll see you guys again soon. Hoi loa. Fa Soifua.